Welcome back to another video with your Bar Prep SD. I'm going to go over some con law today. So we're going to be talking about Article 3, the judicial power, okay? So what is justiciability? It is where federal courts can hear a matter if there's a case or controversy. So what does case or controversy depend on? What the case is requesting. Are they requesting an advisory opinion? That is not justiciable, okay? When is it brought? Is it ripe or moot? And we'll go over that later. And who is bringing it? Does the plaintiff have standing? Okay, so these are the relevant factors that you have to consider when you're talking about justiciability. So federal courts cannot issue advisory opinions. So advisory opinions are decisions that lack an actual dispute between adverse parties, and it lacks any legally binding effects on the parties. So it's not and, it's actually or. So if there's no actual dispute between adverse parties, or there's no legally binding effect on the parties, like it doesn't matter what the federal court says, it's not going to be legally binding on the parties, which means it's not going to help the issue, then it constitutes an advisory opinion, and federal courts will not do that. Ripeness, what is ripeness, right? So we're talking about the second question here, when it is brought. Ripeness is pre-enforcement reviews of laws or policies, and that is generally not ripe. So a plaintiff can show ripeness before a law is enforced by demonstrating two things: the issues are fit for judicial decision, and a plaintiff would suffer substantial hardship. Okay, so let's break this down a little bit. So ripeness means that you cannot bring a case forth before a law actually goes into effect or a policy because you're not affected by it adversely yet.